bamboo is laying down more than usual, as we have had a very strong little storm. Didn't last very long, but it was very windy. As you can see, I have all bits all down here now. Just blew most of the leaves off my acer tree. Very well. It's like it's protecting my bonsais, it's putting its arm around them. All my young little bonsais. I don't know why the black bamboo does that. My gold bamboo doesn't do it. Nor does this one. It just stays upright. But this one, it always lays down. Everything's leaning. But it's different. Yeah. Everything's starting to change into the autumn colours. Crimson cream. I've just cut this bamboo down a bit. It was all growing into the other ones, into my trees. My garnet's changing colour slowly. The bloodgood's still to change colour. I don't know why it's changed a little bit around here. I did try and do some air layers, so I don't know if that's why this bit's changed. It's stunning. Love it. My orange dream. That's slowly changing. Very nice. Phoenix. This is my pixie in a large dragon pot. It had lots of sun damage. I had it out in the full sun and I had to defoliate it also. Hopefully it's going to come back. They've got lots of fresh buds on it, so it should be okay. This is my Borean. Ace of Earth. One here. Little one here. A little pot. And one down there in shade. Just a quick video. Now that the weather's calmed down, I thought I'd better come out and make sure there's no serious damage. There's leaves everywhere I'm going to have to pick up. Make it look nice again. Okay, that's it for now. Goodbye.